Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your project and verifying the Python interpreter and any virtual environment. This ensures code runs the same under the debugger. Next, set breakpoints on the lines you want to inspect by clicking the gutter. Choose key logic points, not every line. Once done, start the debugger with Run then Debug or press Shift plus F9. Pycharm opens the Debug tool window and pauses at the first breakpoint so you can examine state and step through code. You control execution using step over for next lines, step into to dive into functions, and step out to finish the current function. These let you trace the flow. While paused, inspect the variables pane to see current values and types, and open Evaluate Expression to run quick checks or modify values. Make sure to use watches for expressions you revisit frequently, and consult the call stack to understand how you arrived at this state. This combination reveals both what happened and why. You wrap up by resuming execution or stopping the session when you've confirmed behavior, then reproduce the issue with varied inputs to ensure the fix holds. If you need fewer stops, convert breakpoints to conditional ones or add temporary logging lines to capture context automatically. If the debugger misbehaves, restart Pycharm and invalidate caches. This often resolves hanging breakpoints or incorrect evaluations. Finally, if problems persist, recreate the interpreter environment and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.